Hi, we're Jeff and Nina, two chefs with a passion for food and travel. Come along with us on our travels, hunting down great places to eat, hotel and pub reviews, recipe demonstrations, masterclasses, and all things food and travel. And don't forget, eat well, travel often. Okay, on y va, here we go. So I'll put all the correct measurements down below. So you're going to start with 3 egg whites. I'm showing you one here, but basically separating 3 eggs into a bowl. Using an electric whisk or hand whisk, you're going to beat them until they're nice and glossy. Then you're going to add 2 teaspoons of almond essence into the mix before it's finished. Keep on beating. Just a couple of minutes will do. Then when they're nice and thick and glossy, you should be able to hold the bowl up over your head if you're brave enough. So then you're going to add ground almonds, 280 grams. White sugar, granulated or fine white sugar, 280 grams. Then mix. This should come together like a dough-like mixture. Then pull it together and turn it out onto a work surface. Don't worry about handling this, it's going to be fine. Okay, then you're going to separate this into golf ball size pieces. I weigh mine and measure them out at 55 grams. That gives you 12 biscuits out of this batch of this size. Obviously you can do them bigger or smaller if you prefer. Okay, this next bit is where you're going to get the nice 2-stage crust that's special to AMARETTI biscuits. So first of all, again, fine white sugar. Completely coat your golf ball sized biscuits with the white sugar. Then you're going to put them into powdered sugar, icing sugar, and do the same again. Completely coat them all round. This way you'll get that nice unique crust that AMARETTI biscuits are famous for. So make sure you've got a really good coating of the powdered sugar, icing sugar over them, and then you're going to lay them out on the baking tray. And then we're just going to give them a little push down with 3 fingers to get that nice shape that you get on the top. So then we're going to go into the oven, middle shelf, temperature 180 degrees Celsius. So this is going to be 15 to 20 minutes depending on your oven, and they should be coming out nice and golden brown. Just like that. Just give them 5 minutes to cool down and then just check underneath they're nice and golden brown. If they're not, just pop them back in again a couple more minutes. So I hope you enjoy your biscuits. So please comment, like and subscribe, and look out for our new Bangkok travel series coming soon. And don't forget, eat well, travel often.